Good afternoon. This is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today, I am here with Nate Beeman. Nate is our parts manager here in the shop. Nate has been with the company now about a year and a half. A fantastic employee, very energetic, very friendly, professional, and great at his job. Nate, I want to ask you some questions here. Question number one. Favorite Christmas present that you received or gifted this year?
Favorite gift was, you know what? Excellent question. My favorite gift that I had gifted, it was like a little blanket for my mom. It was really nice because it had like it had a picture that I could, personally set in there, and it also had like one of her favorite songs in there.
Oh,
You know,
okay.
and then it was a picture of her favorite gospel song, and then, her favorite gospel song was on there. It was a picture of her youngest brother, or her only brother, which is he passed away about a year ago. So it was really nice. Put a lot of thought into that. So
That
I'm kind of
sounds
proud of it.
really cool. What a nice son. Second question. What was the favorite thing you did over the Christmas holiday?
Favorite thing I did had to be I guess not this Christmas, but the last one. We kind of all gathered over at my mom's house. It was actually our first Christmas without our uncle. So, that one, it was kind of a lot of people there. It was pretty fun. We had a lot of fun and ate really good. So that was probably my favorite thing.
So all about the family gathering, huh?
Yeah, what can I say?
Togetherness, love. That's awesome.
Yeah, all that stuff.
I love hearing it. My third question for you. Nate, do you prefer Christmas or New Year's Eve? What's your favorite holiday between the two?
Between the two, I guess I'm gonna have to say it's Christmas.
Christmas is your favorite?
Yeah, it's gonna. Yep.
Awesome. Why?
uh, uh, Man, it's just about people try to think of it as like, oh man, I'm excited for the gifts I'm giving or I'm getting. It's more. I feel like it's not necessarily about the gift giving, but like kind of like the thought that goes into it. And just being around family and having a reason to kind of gather up with each other, show that appreciation by giving them a gift, So I like that one a lot.
That's an awesome answer. Genuine, sincere, and as always, obviously, you're a very caring guy. And I love to hear that. We need more employees like you, like that.
Thank you.
And then my last question I have for you here. What is going to be your New Year's resolution for 2023?
Ooh, 2023. I guess my resolution would be probably to, eat a little bit healthier and just be a little bit more active overall. In this job, I kind of sit down a lot, if that makes sense. So I kind of want to just, make it a habit of, just getting those extra steps in, all that. So, try to be on the healthier side this year.
Makes sense. We all can use a healthier meal. We could all use a lot more steps. We could all be a lot more healthy. Nate, I really appreciate your time today. Thank you for your sincere and awesome answers. And from all of us to you, we really appreciate the hard work you do in this company. You make things go a lot smoother. So thank you once again. You have a great day,
Thank
all
you.
right?
You too.